If you guys don't know who I am, this is Princess Unfiltered, or welcome to Princess Unfiltered, where all your dreams will come true. Yeah, I wanted to film a music video, and I'm kind of slacking, so we're gonna film a YouTube video. Okay, that's it. I'm supposed to be hanging out with my friend today, probably gonna go to an escape room or some brunch, but I don't know yet. But either way, I'm gonna just do my makeup now because, girl, like, I'm such a homebody. Like, if I have plans at 6 p.m, I'm ready at 10 a.m, period. So first, I usually go in with the Skin Smart Antimicrobial Facial Cleanser. I used to use the Tower 28 one, and I really did like that one, but it's expensive, and this is the one that I've always been using. And on my lips right now, I have nipple cream. Baby, it's giving lip gloss, but it's moisturizing. Like, it's like lip gloss. It's like Vaseline if it was lip gloss. The Urea Moisturizing Lotion, the Burrito Soul Oat-In Gel Calming Cream. So I go in with this first, do my gua sha, and then I go in with this. I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. Also, yeah, I really love my hair because I had this wig. Ooh. Ooh. Itty bitty titties can also do it too. Cause it's all in the back. It's all in the back. It's all in the. Okay, now this is the beauty of using Daily Tinted Fluid Sunscreen. Moving forward, I'm just gonna get a lot of SPF makeup, and don't mind me looking white, like it oxidizes, and also my forehead is like a couple shades darker than the rest of my face because I'm tall, so my head is closer to the sun. And on top of that, my forehead is big, so it's just like a huge target on there. Don't let the wig fool you. There's still some forehead under here. Dang it. So I have my okay. Let me break down the things I'm gonna be using first, so I don't gotta be telling you as I'm using it because I'm gonna forget. So for the bronzer, I'm using the e.l.f. bronzer and contour in the shade Tan Bronze. So I'm using the e.l.f. liquid blush, the color Boldface Lilac. And then for concealer, oh my god, the NYX Bear With Me concealer serum in the color Sand. And I got that because it's like really close to my skin color. Like, y'all see that, y'all see that. So I use this when I really want a natural base look, and then if I really want to be brightened, I then go in on the inside to brighten it up. Okay. So the thing with my face is very like, it doesn't, the bones don't really show up in the mid face. So yeah, I don't got a lot of that to work with. Ooh, mama, that is not my little shit. So I feel like a lot of people get and like, they don't like the idea of being a low maintenance friend. And personally for me, I feel like low maintenance friends are underrated gems, especially for people who go through like depression, anxiety, which, hi. No, if we really want to talk about it, if we really, like, I'm gonna get back to what I'm saying, hopefully. But when I watched Inside Out 2, a lot of people's was really trying to like reason with anxiety, and that's the dumb shit because anxiety cannot be reasoned with. But as someone who has like generalized anxiety, that shit, I will never want to reason with that shit. Okay, I feel like anxiety has to be a guy. I can't even fucking lie, because that shit is just so dumb and so stupid and so useless. Like, you quite literally could never be a woman. And if you're a woman, you're a pick-me. You're just someone who just literally like hates women. I'm sorry, because no. All the books I read, all the poems I said, that was made to share. And just like I'm in the ring, and the truth beyond compare. So I did very good. I do like to put blush inside my cheeks. I just don't like to put really like pigmented blush inside my cheeks. I feel like it just makes me look a mess. Thank you. And then I'm gonna just put it in here, and then maybe a little bit here, like the remnants. For people, brightening is good. It's always good to use a brightening concealer, I believe. Just adds more dimension to the face. but not everyone's skin type works with using a drastically brighter concealer right off the bat. Some people's skin types involves using a brighter concealer as the last step after you've already put down a like one layer of concealer. And I know this is kind of like counterintuitive when you're trying to do like a natural makeup look, but if you put it up slowly but surely, it really does help the makeup just look more seamless. Like I put it right here, just here. You don't have to do anything more. You can even go up to here, but don't put it on your eyelid. Like don't put it on the main lid. You can put it on the upper lid, but don't put it on the main lid. And it just opens, makes everything look more open. And I think also if you have close together eyes too, this, and you like want it to just, you know, be a little more not close together, this will also be really good for you. But that's just me. That's what I do. Then after all that, I go in with the same bronzer, and I just put this right on the top of here, right there, just to bring back that intensity only at that part. Then I don't really contour my nose. I don't really know what I'm doing, so I just kind of do a little something like this. I sometimes hate it, but I guess today I'm doing it, so I don't like. I just deal with it. Powder. I use the e.l.f. HD powder. Also, no one talks about this, but using a brush for powder is actually so good. And I will tell you why. Ooh, that is not my little shit. Oh, I done fucked up again. But I feel like it's best to use a powder, like a brush for powder, because this helps make it look more better. And then sometimes if I'm really feeling like it, I go in and just put some on my nose, but very, very light, just like that, to the point that it doesn't really affect the mid face of my concealer. It's just kind of adds a little more pink in there, makes it look a little more cute. So I'm gonna spray this, and then I'm gonna be right back. So my camera wants to be a tweaker, and it's just doing too much. So y'all like this video so that I can become a big star overnight, and so that I can buy a new camera, because right now mama doesn't have money for a new camera. Okay, so yeah, like this video or else. Yeah. Okay, my battery's really about to die. I literally hate this camera. Oh my god. If you hear my parents in the back, I'm so sorry. Like, I'm African, like, you know, like, I don't know. I'm going in with a powdered bronzer now, just to kind of reinforce everything that I already did with the liquid bronzer. I wish e.l.f. created like a powdered version of their liquid bronzer. Like, I love that bronzer so much. Anyways, but yeah, this is my base. This is how it looks. Now we gotta go in with the real deal, which is mascara. Okay, hi. I'm back. So these are my lashes. So I went in with the House Labs first, the House Labs mascara. I love chrome. And then I went in with the YSL mascara. This is so cute. So also give me this look. Now we're gonna do lip liner. I go in with the NK the New York, well, NK New York lip liner, lip pencil in the color Coffee. Just go very natural. See how it just kind of outlines my lip a little bit. I don't really blend it in because I like my lips to kind of look like a drawing, like to just look like very lined. And after that, I go in with e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil in the color Money Mauve. Very cute. Then I go in with e.l.f. Liquid Blush in the color Very Well. But what I do is I go in with a very tiny amount because this specific one is so intense. And I just go in here, just like that. Just those two. This is looking even too much. Ooh, that's too much. Okay, yes. Okay, and that's it. Oh my god, yo, my parents are so loud. Oh my god, this is actually so like embarrassing. I was gonna leave the clip, like at least the one clip in there, but we'll see. Okay, y'all. So, I wore my shirt. It's this cute shirt. Let me turn it down. It's this cute shirt. Sorry, I'm wearing sweatpants. And my room's a mess. Oof. Don't forget to fix the brows. Okay, y'all. So, sorry, my mom is literally like blending something, and I'm so pissed. I'm so pissed. But it's the finished makeup. But yeah, this is the finished makeup. Yeah, this is the finished. Yeah, I'm repping for the itty bitty titty committee. I'm repping for the itty bitty titty committee. If you wanna hop in my car, then you coming with me. We going to the. Ooh, I'm repping for the itty bitty titty committee. If you wanna hop in my car, then you coming with me. We going out the country, going into the city. Yeah, wait. So I did very good. Yo, should I start rapping? Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you liked this video. It was a little chaotic and there's a lot of sounds going around, but I really hope you liked this video. If you want to hear it again, it's Princess Unfiltered.